A taste of Cambodia, Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk. Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk is a beloved Cambodian dish cherished by locals and visitors alike. It is a caramelized pork belly stew, slow-cooked to perfection. People in Cambodia eat it often, whether at home or at bustling street food stalls. It is full of flavor, with a rich, savory taste that lingers on the palate. This dish is special, not just for its taste, but for the memories it evokes. It's perfect for any meal, be it a festive gathering or a simple family dinner. The pork belly gets tender and juicy, absorbing all the delicious flavors of the sauce. The sauce is sweet and savory, a perfect balance that enhances the dish. It is a taste of Cambodian culture, a dish that tells a story of tradition, family, and the joy of sharing a meal together. Gathering the ingredients for Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk. This traditional Cambodian dish is a delightful blend of sweet, savory, and umami flavors. And it all starts with selecting the right ingredients. To make Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk, you need a few key ingredients. Each one plays a crucial role in building the complex flavor profile of this dish. The star is pork belly, cut into bite-sized pieces. The rich, fatty pork belly is essential for achieving the dish's signature melt-in-your-mouth texture. You will need palm sugar for the caramel. This ingredient adds a deep molasses-like sweetness that balances the savory elements. Fish sauce and garlic add a savory depth. The fish sauce brings umami, while the garlic provides a fragrant, aromatic base. Pepper adds a little spice. Just a touch of black pepper is enough to give the dish a subtle heat that complements the other flavors. Coconut water makes the pork extra tender. It also infuses the dish with a light, natural sweetness that enhances the overall flavor. Don't forget the oil for cooking. A little bit of oil helps to brown the pork and develop a rich, caramelized exterior. These simple ingredients create a flavorful dish. When combined and cooked slowly, they transform into a comforting, hearty meal that is both satisfying and delicious. Enjoy the process of making Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk and savor every bite of this traditional Cambodian delight. The art of caramelization and simmering. Making Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk is easy. First, you caramelize the palm sugar. Melt the sugar in a hot pan. It will turn golden brown. Add the pork belly and cook until brown. Then add garlic, fish sauce, and pepper. Pour in coconut water and simmer. The pork will become tender and flavorful. Section 4. Serving and savoring Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk. Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk is best served hot. It is traditionally paired with steamed jasmine rice. The rice soaks up the delicious sauce. You can garnish the dish with green onions. Add some sliced chilies for extra spice. It's a hearty and satisfying meal. Section 5. Enhancing flavor tips and variations. For richer flavor, let the stew sit for a few hours. This allows the ingredients to meld together, creating a more harmonious and robust taste. If you have the time, patience will reward you with a deeper, more satisfying flavor profile. You can even make it the day before. Preparing the stew in advance not only saves time on the day of serving, but also enhances the taste. Refrigerate it overnight and you'll notice the difference. The flavors will deepen overnight. As the stew rests, the spices and herbs infuse more thoroughly, making each bite more flavorful and aromatic. Reheat it gently the next day for the best experience. You can use chicken or tofu instead of pork. This variation caters to different dietary preferences and adds a unique twist to the traditional recipe. Both options absorb the rich flavors beautifully. Add different vegetables like carrots or bok choy. These additions not only enhance the nutritional value, but also bring in a variety of textures and flavors, making the dish more vibrant and wholesome. Khmer Kaw Sach Chrouk is a versatile dish. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and make it your own. The beauty of this dish lies in its adaptability to suit your taste and preferences. Enjoy the wonderful flavors of Cambodia. This dish is a true representation of Cambodian culinary heritage, offering a delightful experience with every bite. Savor the rich, complex flavors and share this delicious meal with your loved ones.